All right, we've got sequences on mobile. It's another one, Sales and Service Hub Pro and Enterprise. It's currently live globally, so you can iOS and Android apps supporting enrolling and unenrolling, pausing and resuming contacts in a sequence.
I think as somebody who, built our business, by being on the road, doing sales, like just even in a general sense, having, a great mobile app, it was so long overdue, but now just these little cherries on top in the HubSpot mobile app is just amazing.
They've made some pretty significant changes in the last few months, right? I think I remember touching the app originally years ago, and it was not a good time, so I just never touched it again.
Yeah.
But recently they've put some work into it, and it's come up to par a bit.
I really like the reply email notification in the HubSpot app. So now if you get a reply to a sales email, it'll pop up as a push notification, and I'm like, thank you. That's the one email that I wanted to know the reply for. It's the one, which is really, really good.
I think you're probably getting to it, but some of the stuff they're doing to put people into the CRM via the app, like QR codes and the business card stuff that's been there for a little while, is good as well. It cuts down a lot of unnecessary form submission or...
That's one little gem of that little app there is the business card tool. Can we talk about that?
Yeah, I was waiting for you to plug it because I wanted to talk about it. Yeah, every time I do a demo and I go through the CRM and I get to the point where I'm like, all right, it's probably worth, for anyone that's on the go to download the app. I'm like, there's this really cool feature and I'm just dying for people to start using it. It's a business card scanner.
It's very good. It's very good.
Look, it depends on how often you're picking up business cards, I suppose. It is 2023. We have digital business cards. There's LinkedIn. So
I did think one of the best things that happened was when you send an email, HubSpot will read the email signature and pre-populate it. I thought that was a really, really good one. Really, really good.
I agree. Yeah, that is. So I was a bit slow there. As I keep saying, there's just these little 2%ers that just bring joy to your life that they introduce, and we just want to see it keep coming and coming.
Clean data. I just love that. It's just so good. So good.